Hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please tell your friends to join. Last class revision. So what we discussed in the last class?
Letter coding.
Yeah, coding and decoding. In this coding and decoding, it is divided into these three parts. First one is letter. Second one is number.
Both.
Third one is mixed. In this mixed again, old
pattern,
and
new
new.
pattern.
Again in letter, we discussed the
type six types:
forward,
reverse,
cross, opposite direction,
position of the letter,
position of the letter,
number, illogical, miscellaneous.
cross, opposite,
Op-
position of letters,
miscellaneous.
So these things are we discussed in the last class, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Once again, get back through alphabets. 17 is
Q. Q.
Q, sir.
22nd,
V.
IT,
Yes.
S.
W,
23.
23.
7,
G.
20. TR.
T,
20.
20, sir.
R,
18.
18,
14,
N.
M.
N.
23,
W.
sir.
W.
M,
13.
13.
15,
P.
P.
F.
F.
5,
Y.
4,
D.
D.
X,
23. 24.
U.
U.
U, sir.
A opposite letter,
Z.
W opposite letter,
D.
O opposite letter,
L.
R opposite,
I.
E opposite letter,
G.
G.
opposite,
S.
S.
opposite letter,
T.
O opposite letter,
L.
L.
N opposite letter,
M.
M.
W,
T.
T opposite letter,
X.
X.
T opposite letter,
G.
G.
E opposite letter,
V.
V.
N opposite letter,
Q.
Q.
B, sir.
W.
W, sir.
Now, so if you see coding, decoding, you should remember these 5 things. Those are very, very important. Whenever, if you are doing coding, decoding means, remember these things first thing. First, observe the pattern, like position.
Hey.
Like position means how the alphabet is incrementing or decrementing. Then second, you should observe whether the pattern is based on opposite letters or not. Then third, you should observe whether it is a common లెటర్ సిరీస్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ చూసాం మనం కామన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందని. దెన్ యూ షుడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫోర్త్ థింగ్ ఈస్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఫిఫ్త్ థింగ్ యూ షుడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ whether it is reverse. Sixth thing is you should observe that whether it is cross.
Cross.
If you remember these 6 things, you can do any coding decoding question. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
sir.
right? If anybody wants to write, please copy. Now we will start next type. This is type 6 now. Isn't it type 6?
Yeah, we have to start type 6.
Yeah. Type 6 is illogical. ఇందులో లాజిక్ ఉండదు, అందుకే నేమ్ లోనే ఉంది illogical. Let's see one example. TSAE is coded as TSEW. Then what is the code for HTRON? This is the question. If you observe here, if you observe the first thing is position, second thing is opposite, third thing is forward or back, reversed or cross or common. If you see here, east this is and this is west. What is east opposite?
West, sir.
West. So east is coded as west in a reverse manner. And this is what you are?
North.
North. Then what you should write?
South.
South.
SOUTH. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat?
Yes, sir.
East is west, means east is writing in reverse manner. It is coded as west, means opposite direction, reverse manner. And the question is, what about north? North opposite is south, right? From right to left. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then see one more question based on illogical. YLEAR is coded as TELA. In the same way, what is code for DLCO? If you things to get remember, first thing is position, second thing is opposite, third thing is common, fourth thing is forward, fifth thing is reverse, sixth thing is cross. Then what if you see here in a reverse manner, what is this early? EARLY. The opposite of early is late, that is LAT, is writing in a reverse manner. In the same way, he is writing cold.
Cold.
COLD. Then what is the opposite of cold?
Hot.
Hot. You should write as TOH. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully. Early ni written lo rasaru. Early is written as from right to left, and opposite of early is late. Again, late is written as like in a not reverse, clumsy. Similarly, cold. What is opposite of cold is hot. What is opposite of cold is hot. Right? If you write in a reverse manner, it is nothing but TOH. Now, in the same way, please find out this one. These are completely illogical. There is no logic in that. S M T W question mark F, S. Those are completely illogical. Try this. If not, I will explain.
T, sir.
The answer is?
T, Thursday.
The answer is?
T.
Right here,
T,
I'm not getting.
Teacher.
T,
Thursday.
R,
Teacher.
E. Okay, okay, okay. Then any other? It's very simple. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday.
yeah, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
One more question, same like illogical, which is given in a previous year. I, V, X, question mark, C, D, M. Illogical. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్తే రియల్లీ దోస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ టాలెంటెడ్ అండ్ స్మార్ట్ యార్. స్మార్ట్ అండ్ టాలెంటెడ్. దే హ్యావ్ 360 degrees థింకింగ్ పవర్. Take your own time, no problem.
L, sir.
Super. Name? Please tell
Roman
me.
number, sir.
Yeah, please tell me your name.
Charita, sir.
Very good. See, this is Roman letter 1. This is Roman letter 5. This is Roman letter 10. And this is 100. And this is 500. And this is 1000. In missing between them is 50. 50 is L. Do you remember Roman letters?
X, sir.
Yeah. The thing is here is Roman letters. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Very good. Who said answer is super? Simply super. Now, next concept is number coding. Number coding. Now listen carefully. Number coding type 1. నేను ఏ చాప్టర్ చెప్పినా కూడా ఫస్ట్ సమ్మరైజ్ చేస్తాను. తర్వాత మీ బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అన్నీ మీకు తెలిసిపోతాయి అప్పుడే. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఈ టైప్ అని. ఓకే. టైప్ 1. క్యాట్ ఈజ్ రిటన్ యాజ్ 24. sad is written as 24. Then what is the answer for she? This is number coding. Number with alphabet. Cat is
32, sir.
24. Sad is
32, sir.
24. How would she? Very simple. C is 3. A is 1. T is 20. If you add all the things, are you getting 24?
Yes, sir.
S is 19. A is 1. D is 4. Again, are you getting 24?
Yes, sir.
Then what about she is 9? S is 19. H is 8.
32, sir.
33, 32, sir.
32, yeah. Okay. So this type 1 is called addition. Anybody wants to repeat? Please respond. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Am I fast?
No?
No, sir.
Sir,
Right. Thank you.
Sir.
Again, we'll see. Yeah, tell me.
సార్ ఇలాజికల్ పైన చెప్పింది కదా సార్ అది చెప్పండి సార్.
Illogical law.
చెప్పండి సార్ అది.
Ida.
ఎస్ సార్.
This is Roman, Arabic Roman anamata. Sorry, Roman letters ivi. Manam ila rastama. This is 1 and this is 2. Do you remember these things? This is
Yes, sir.
5. This is 10. Do you remember these Roman letters?
ఎస్ సార్.
Yeah, this is Roman letter coding. In Roman letter, I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. The missing letter is L is 50. ఇవి
Okay,
మీకు ఐ థింక్ 6th క్లాస్ లో వస్తాయి. Is it okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll see the next question. Type 1. Type 2. Deep is written as, observe closely. Deep is written as 60. Rabbit is written as 100. Then what about hair? First type 1 is simple addition and type 2 we'll see example. Please try.
72, sir.
Yeah, it is 72. Super, very good. How the answer is now? Let's see here. D is 4, E is 5, E is 5, P is 16. What about total?
30.
Yeah, 30 means
Into
30
2.
into 2 is 60.
2.
Yeah, R is 18, A is 1, B is 2, I is 9, T is 20. What is total? 50 means 50 into 2. In the
2.
same way, H is 8, A is 1, I is 9, R is 18. 18 plus 9.
27.
Plus 1
28.
plus 8.
36.
Yeah, 36. Then what about the thing? You should multiply every time by
2.
so that is 36 into 2 is
72. 72.
type 2 is called addition into n. This is integer. N is integer. It may be 2 or 3, something else. Am I clear? Or nothing but it is a constant number. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
నో సార్.
Now let's see type 3. Please observe every type here. Never did this type of simplified concepts. Now hotel is written as hotel is written as 12. In the same way, what is a code for lamb?
Sir.
Not yet. Please try, take your own time. No hurry. Are you done?
Sir, points lost the correctness, sir.
No problem. Please listen carefully. Guys, listen. H is 8, O is 15,
40,
E is 5, L is 12.
5 point-
What is the sum total?
60.
8 plus 15,
50,
23.
sir.
50, sir.
26 plus 20. 13 plus 20, 33. Plus 12 plus 5 is nothing but what here? 60.
60, sir.
Divided by how many number of letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
7, sir, answer.
Yeah. So 60 divided by 5 will give you 12. In the same way, L is 12, A is 1, B is 13, 2 is 2. Then what about the total sum is?
28.
15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 2 is 28
By
divided
4.
by number of letters are 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
So 28 divided by 4 is how much here? 7.
7.
Yeah. Type 3 type of questions is called addition. Listen carefully.
By number of.
Addition divided by number of letters. Addition divided by number of letters. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now listen carefully. I am summarizing the things. The based on alphabet and number is based on addition only sometimes. Sometimes addition into any number. Any number. Sometimes the number may be number of letters or number of consonants in the word. Consonants in the word. Or sometimes number of
Vowels.
in the word. Right? Then third thing you are learning is addition divided by n. This n sometimes may be again three things. What are they? Number of letters in the word. Please copy the R. Number of letters in the word or number of consonants in the word or number of vowels in the word. Whenever if you are doing a number with alphabet type of coding, then you should remember these basics or background knowledge. Have you copying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I move forward?
Sir, wait, sir.
1 second, sir.
Yeah, please copy, no problem. We'll see more and more examples. If you see more examples, you will get better clarity. If I am fast, please tell me there itself. మీకు కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ అనిపించినా మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయమని అడగండి, ఎన్నిసార్లు అని చెప్తాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Are you getting nice?
No, sir.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see the next type.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me. Yes. See here. KIPES is coded as 2. Monday is coded as 2. Then what is the code for Sunday? Please think and tell me answer. 2 is coded as 19. My is coded at 16. Then what is the code for he?
Two, sir, first one.
Yeah, very good. What is the logic behind it?
Vowel sound.
Vowel.
Yes,
I, E,
E, R vowels, that is 2. O, A,
O, A.
that is 2. U and A are vowels, that is super. Then next one. No problem. T opposite letter is G, the number is 7. O opposite letter is L, the number is 12. So that is opposite letter sum. 12 plus 7 is 19. In the same way, M opposite letter is N, that is 14.
Yeah.
14.
Y opposite letter is B, that is 2. 14 plus 2 is 16. In the same way, H is 8. The
19
opposite
plus
letter of H is high school, that is 19. E opposite letter is V, that is 22. So
41.
it will become
41.
good, 41. Means the thing is here opposite letters. Means the pattern follows like this. First pattern. Yeah, listen carefully. The pattern follows like this. First addition, then next addition into n. Here you are having 3 types, number of letters in the word, vowels and consonants. Again pattern 3, addition divided by n. Again here 3 things come happen, number of letters in the word, vowels and consonants. Type 4, right? Opposite letters addition. Opposite letters addition. Again type 5, opposite letters, Vinali, opposite letters into n. Again this n may be number of letters, vowels or consonants. Type 6, opposite letters divided by n. The n may be number of letters or vowels or consonants. ఇంతకు మించి మీకు నంబర్ కోడింగ్ లో రావు ఎగ్జామ్. Most of the type of questions only based on these patterns. If you check all these patterns, your answer will be in your hands. If anybody wants to copy, please copy. Then we'll see few examples on this. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
And now listen carefully. Please listen carefully. ZIP is coded as 198. ZAP is coded as 246. Then what is the code for MAP? Please try this. Again, one more question. Acne is coded as 3, 7, 29, 11. In the same way, what is the code for bolt? One more question is, work is written as 4, 12, 9, 16. In the same way, what is the code for done? Yeah, please try all of you. Don't waste your time. Please try. First try ZIP, ZAP, MAP. If you are getting answer, please tell me.
sir.
Remaining questions. First try these, then later we'll see the next. Now listen carefully. If you are done, please listen. Logic, listen. ZAP. It's a very typical question which is given in a previous year. It's a typical question given in a previous year. Please listen. Z is 26, I is 9, P is 16. What is total sum?
51,
26
sir.
plus 9 plus
51,
60.
sir.
51.
Yeah, it is 30. Sorry.
51, sir.
51, sir.
If you see here one more thing. If you see here one more thing. What is Z opposite letter?
A.
It is zero.
A, sir.
One. Yeah. What is I opposite letter? It is R.
R, sir.
18,
What is P opposite letter? It is K.
11.
K, sir.
So
11.
what is the total sum? 18 plus 11 is 29. 29 plus 1 is 30. The thing is 30 into 6 is 180. 180 plus 18. The very toughest question. It is given in a previous year. So 180 plus 18 is 198. In the same way,
98.
yeah, in the same way, what is Z opposite letter is A 1. What is A opposite letter? It is Z, that is 26. What is P opposite letter? It is K. K is 11. Now 26 plus 11 is 37. 37 plus 1 is 38. Again 38 into 6. 6 8s are 48. 4. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22.
228.
Yeah, 228 plus 18. It will become 246. The thing is into 6 plus 18. Into 6 plus 18. In the same way, M opposite letter is N. N is 14. A opposite letter is Z. That is 26. P opposite letter is K. That is 11. Now 26 plus 14 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 51. 51 into 6. That is 306. 306 plus 18 is how much you'll get again?
324.
324. Am I clear? Once again, I will explain. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. The thing is, opposite letters sum into 6 plus 18. Opposite letters sum into 6 plus 18. Opposite letters sum into 6 plus 18. Got my point? Yes, got it or not? Anybody
Yes,
wants
sir.
to repeat?
No, sir.
Am I fast?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
Yeah. Do you want to repeat here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now listen one more time. Z opposite letter is 1. That is A. I opposite letter is R. That is Indian Railways. R is 18. P opposite letter is K. That is Pawan Kalyan. That is 11. So the total sum is 30. 30 into 6 is 180. 180 plus 18 is 198. Again same way. Z opposite letter is A. That is 1. E opposite letter is Z. That is 26. P opposite letter is K. That is 11. The total sum is 38. Again 38 into 6 plus 18. Clear?
Okay.
Same way you should done for map. Then anybody getting acne? Three, 7, 29, 11. Acne is coded as 3, 7, 29, 11. Then what is the code for bold? Have you done? Have you done, guys? Okay, no problem. Now please listen carefully. No problem. A is 1, C is 3, N is 14, E is 5. If you observe here, A1 means here you are getting 3. C3 means here you are getting 7. N14 means you are getting 29. E5 means you are getting 11. Means this is very simple. All the letters are
Into 2 plus 1.
2 plus 1. Multiplied with 2 plus 1. Multiplied with 2 plus 1. Multiplied with 2 plus 1. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the same way, what is B?
5.
O 15. L 12. T 20. Now what will be the code? 2 into 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5.
5E.
Yeah. 15 into 2, 30. 30 plus 1,
21.
good. In the same
25.
way,
20.
12 plus 1, it is
41.
5. Again,
41.
into 2 plus 1, it is 41. Got it? Anybody wants to repeat? Anybody wants to repeat?
Yes, sir.
Sir, acne చెప్పండి sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, acne sir.
Acne. A is 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. C is 3. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 1, 7. N is 14. 14 into 2, 28. Plus 1, 29. E is 5. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Same
Okay,
coding
sir.
will done for bolt.
Okay sir.
Got? Can I move forward?
Okay
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. W
next.
opposite letter is D.
D.
Is 4.
D.
4.
O opposite letter is L.
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 That is 12.
12.
R opposite letter is I.
P.
That is 9.
5.
K opposite letter is P.
P. 16.
Got it? Then in the same
23, 12, 13,
22.
22,
23,
12.
12, 13, 22.
good. We'll see one more example. Yeah, please try this, all of you. Who have brains? Try this. చేయాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. ఊరికే ఆన్ చేసేసి పక్కన టీవీనో వేరే వర్క్ చేసుకుంటుంటే యూ విల్ బి ద బిగ్గెస్ట్. Work is coded as 4, 12, 9, 16. What is the code for done?
23, 12, 13, 22.
13, 22.
We already finished it now. Okay. See the other question. Work is coded as 5692. Then what is the code for love? Try that. One more question. Request. Is coded as S2R 52TU. Then what is the code for acid? Please try these two. We'll see next model. And try this also, if possible. Yes, are you getting? Please respond. Are you getting or not? Shall I move forward? Guys, please respond. Yeah, W is 23. 2 plus 3 is 5. O is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. R is 18. Right? 8 plus 1 is 9. K is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Right. Now, L is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. O is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. V is 22. 2 plus 2 is 4. E is 5. That should be 5. Right. Very good. Now try for request. Am I clear? Anybody wants to repeat this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now listen carefully. Who are not getting? W is 23. 2 plus 3 is 5. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. R is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. K is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. In the same way, L is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. V is 22. 2 plus 2 is 4. E is 5. Clear? Anybody wants to repeat again?
No, sir.
Okay. Then try for next question, request. Guys, simply sitting is ridiculous. See, people are lefting, not listening the class. You will be the
14,
losers.
sir.
The answer is,
14.
see here, request is coded as S2R52TU. Then what is the code for acid? Now listen carefully, important question. This is given in a previous years. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. R is 18, Q is 17, S is 19, T is 20. Now listen carefully what happening. And you are having a vowels A, E, I, O, U. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vowels I am naming as, I am giving numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now R is 18, 18 plus 1, 19 is yes. Listen carefully once again. R is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 is yes. Again E is a vowel that should be coded as 2. And Q is 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 is R. U is vowels, that is 5, that should be 5 here. E is 2, that should be 2 here, again 2. S is 19, 19 plus 1, 20, 20 is T. And again T is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, that should be U. Once again, listen carefully, I am explaining, please don't write. Listen carefully once again. All the consonants are coded as number plus 1, right? Here R is 18, 18 plus 1, 19, that is yes. E, A, E, I, O, U's are coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is E is 2. Q is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18, 18 is R. And U is here 5. E is here 2. S is 19, 19 plus 1, 20, 20 is T. Again T is 20, 20 plus 1, 21, that should be U. In the same way, A should be, what is the code for A? That is 1. Now C is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 is D. Again I is a vowel, I number is 3. Again D is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 is E. The code is ID3E. ID3E. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat? Anybody wants to repeat? అబ్బా మరి మీరు నోట్ తో చెప్పండి ఏం కాదు కానీ బోర్డు మీరే గీకేస్తారు ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం రైట్ ఇదంతా చెరిపేయండి రైట్ నౌ లెట్స్ సీ మేనేజర్ లెట్స్ సీ మేనేజర్ is coded as 34, director is coded as 35. Then what is the code for staff? If you see
14.
M is a consonant, N is a consonant, G is a consonant, R is a consonant. How many consonants are there? 4. The second letter is number of consonants in a word. And first is number of vowels. A, E. Number of vowels. Simple undi kada? Then D is a consonant, R is a consonant, C is a consonant, T is a consonant, R is a consonant. How many consonants are there? 5. Again, how many vowels are there? 3. In the same way, the vowel is 1. Yes, correct, 1. How many number of consonants are there remaining next? 4. That should be 14. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Shall I move forward? Next example.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let's see next type. Not type, concept. Concept is mixed. In that old pattern and a new pattern. See one example, you'll get better clarity. This is called mixed coding. Basic type. She is good. Is coded as 1 to 5. Is he bad? Is coded as 579. Are we good? Is coded as 289. Then what is the code for she is good, bad, he, or we? And this is a regular question. Sometimes they may ask in your exams. Now let's see here. The one and only notable thing you should remember here is same word, same code. The trick is same word, same code. If you see here,
Good is 2. Is 5.
good. ఇక్కడ కామన్ ఏముంది 2. So good is coded as what here? 2. Like that we should do. Same word, same code. Then is
5.
what is the same here? 5. బాబు నన్ను రాయని నీకు వర్క్ ఇస్తాను అప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా ఫిల్ చేసుకో ఇంటి దగ్గర 5.
Okay, sir.
Is there any common words here? No. The leftover word, the leftover code, she is coded as 1. Here he bad. The leftover things are 7 or 9. Maybe 7 is either 7 or 9. Bad is. Again, he is either 7 or 9. I can't say he is 7, bad is 9. Clear or not? Both he or bad may be coded as 7 or 9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
మిగిలిపోయిన వాటికి అన్నమాట. Then R V, I don't know. Definitely R is coded as either 8 or 4. Again V is coded as either 8 or 4. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we see one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now please you try this one.
Sir, explain again, sir.
No problem. Listen carefully. If you see in the 3 lines, C is good. Is he bad? Are you good? Good, good. Common word ఉంది కదా. Common code ఉంది చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2, 2. That's why good is coded as 2. Then first sentence lo, second sentence lo common is. Is coded as 5. Then remaining we don't know. That's why the remaining word, the remaining code. She is 1. And here the leftover things are he, bad. The leftover things are 7, 9. That's why bad is either 7 or 9. He is either 7 or 9. Similarly, the leftover things are RV. Definitely the leftover numbers are 8, 4. That's why R is either 8 or 4. We are either 8 or 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Still wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now see next one. Please try this. Make it down. This is a homework. Please make it down. Don't waste your time. Please make it down. Homework this is. Economics is not money. Demand and supply economics. I will give you clue, then try in your home. Money makes only part is written as ZI. Please copy. Yes, please copy. After that, I'll give you clue. If copied, tell me.
సార్ మొత్తం అన్ని వర్డ్స్ కి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా?
Yeah, tell me. బాబు చెప్పు.
మొత్తం అన్ని వర్డ్స్ కి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా అంటున్నాను సార్ అన్ని.
ఇవన్నీ కూడా economics is not money supply is coded as KALAHOGO. For example, if you see here, in the first line you are having economics. In the second line you are having economics. In the fourth line you are having economics. Isn't it? These 3 lines have a common word. If you see LAKAHOGO, MOTAPAKA, ZIMOKA, what is a common you are having is KA. Then I can say that economics is coded as KA. Clear? You should write here economics is coded as KA. Then again find out the same word in all the lines. Is not money, demand and supply. Money makes only part. If you see here, money and money. If you compare first and third, what is the same thing? LA, LA. Then money is coded as what? LA. So like that, finish all the words and all the codes. Clear, guys?
ఎస్ సార్ సార్ ఒకసారి ప్రీవియస్ చూపించారా సార్?
Okay. Now tell me if you have a doubt, please tell me. No, sir, somebody is writing.
ఓకే సార్, కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Then still here, any doubt?
నో సార్.
This is the homework.
No, sir.
Yeah, this is the homework. Please try all the words and their codes. Tomorrow class. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hi,